Hi guys, Ladylocks here with Phoenix number 1 from the Lockpicker in 1969's Phoenix Challenge. There's the bidding of the key for you guys, and alright, the key works. Get that reset. And let's get picking. I'm going to use top of keyway on this one. Not sure of the size, but it's one of the more slimmer top of keyway or tensioners because it's very, very small keyway there, so we definitely need that. And you just got to be careful because it likes to pop out. This core moves around a lot. Alrighty, and here you go. Phoenix number 1 opened by the Lockpicker in 1969. Alright, thanks everybody.